Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. Today in this tutorial video, I want to share with you how you can edit or do some changes to the navigation menu if you are using 2025 WordPress theme. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is log in to the WordPress dashboard. So after you log in, you can go to Appearance Editor, click on it. And once you're on the editor page, you will see that this option navigation. So click on navigation, you will see the navigation menu here, which is exactly the same order from left to right, from top to bottom. So let's say I want to remove a link. So what you can do is that you can click on it and you will see there's a pop-up box over here to confirm that you're going to do the edit. So you just click edit. After you click on edit, you can click on this and you can see there's a three dot over here. Click on this three dot and you can remove. So remove home and you can see that the home link disappear. So now if I want to drag the classes to before beginners, I can do so as well. So all you need to do is to come over here and drag these classes to above beginners. So now you can see about us, classes, beginners. And you can also put beginners under classes in drop down. So what you can do is over here, you just drag beginners and drop it into classes. And now classes will have a drop down. Okay, so after these changes, you can click review one change and click save. But if you want to add more links or any custom stuff here, you will need to click on this button over here, action, click, and then click edit. So this brings us to the blog editor, open up the blog overview and click on this blog. So over here, you can add other blog. So if I click on add other blog, if I click add blog, if I click browse all, you can see all these are the possible links you can add. So now our navigation doesn't have a home link. So what I will do, I will want to add a home link. So I scroll down. This is the home link. Click on it. Then you can see that the home appear. Okay. So click on this navigation menu. Click on blog. So you can do some changes if you want to. Okay. So this is the home. And I also want to show you something is that over here, there is another option or another feature you can add is the login logout. So let's say you want to add a login logout button for your members or for your subscribers in your website, you can do so as well. Okay, so you can add in here and you can move it to the right. Okay, so you will be on the rightmost corner of the navigation. I'll show you how it works right now. So I click save. So then I go to my website, do a refresh, and you can see that now I have this logout button over here. And because it detects that I'm currently logging in, you can see that I have a login dashboard bar over here. So it means that I'm currently logged in. But if I were to open the incognito window and go to the website, you can see that it is now changed to login because I am not logging in this browser. So it is a very smart auto detector to show only logout if they know that you are logging in. Okay, so I will just also show you one more time how to shift this home to in front. So let's go back here and you can simply drag this home to the top, followed by about us, classes, contact us, and login, logout. So save and then go back to the website, do a refresh again, you can see that the order has changed. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial on how you can edit the navigation menu in your 2025 theme. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the discussion area. Thank you.